आमी न्याय दितले 100%. तो मिनिस्ट्रीन आसतलो
हे फुडली पावटी हे टमान आसतलें वो फुडलो टमान आसतलें
ते ओन्ली गॉड नोज. ह्या पावटी म्हाका दिसना तेणें डिसिजन घेतला की आपूण ऑपोजिशनान रावन जे इश्यूज गोंयचे रेज करपाक जाय ते आपूण रेज करतलो म्हणून.
मायकल म्हणटा तो फुडले फावटी सरकारान आसतलो. हांव अशें म्हणचो ना, ताणें ठरोवचें. कुडतरीच्या लोकांनी ठरोवपाक जाय, कुडतरीच्या लोकांनी ताका आशिर्वाद दिवपाक जाय, कुडतरीच्या लोकांनी ताच्या बरोबर रावपाक जाय.
हसत हसत काय असना सरकार पक्षाच्याच फुडाऱ्यांनी अलेक्साक सिरियस शिनाल दिले आणि आधीच अलेक्स आड आशिल्ल्या काँग्रेसींतल्या दुवराक फूग मारिल्ल्या भशेन जाली.
I want good governance, I want good things to happen to the state. म्हणजे स्टेटीन बऱ्यो जावपा जाय म्हणून मुगे म्हणणें. हांवें केन्ना एक पुऱ्या इश्यू डुप्लिकेसी केलें ना, जावं कोणाको पयशे केले नाय, जावं कोणा कडेन खंयचे इश्यू घेवपाक हांवें पयशे केले नाय. I'm not going to talk about anybody. Today I'm completing 50 years. I completed 50 years. I know I need to be mature. I need to be humble. But I'm not going to talk anything against him. But I only want to say that Pramod Sawant, the Chief Minister, when he was a speaker, he helped me. He gave me one room in the assembly. How Congress fellows told the High Command that I am being close to the BJP and I got an office in this. You know, this is the level of our congressmen. But anyway, now they got sambo masala. They can send these copies to the High Command also and let them enjoy it. I have no problem. Because the people of Puduturi will vote for me. They have voted for me for so many years. They will vote for me and they will take me somewhere else. That much of faith I have. Two things in life I have. One, I have faith in my people. Second, I have faith in God. Or rather, let's put it first, faith in God. I have always done two things. One, I have been thankful to what I have, to God and to my voters. Pramod Sawant, I am thankful because he came and said, irrespective of the politics, the Chief Minister came, the ministers came. Mrs. Alina spoke, Michael Lobo spoke, Babu Ajgaonkar spoke, so many fellows spoke. There is nothing in between the lines. Nobody has offered me anything, nor have I gone to anybody for offer. It is only the gift what I get for my so many years of service from the ruling and from the opposition. There is no question of any issues in between the lines. I am very clear about it. In my speech, I have thanked all my people.
प्रुडंटा खातीर भीमा पाटील.